Hello everyone, welcome back to KIKOMOON. So today I filmed for you guys a back to school YesStyle haul, and I'm kind of late because it's already been 2 weeks I'm into school, but I just received these items. Before we get started, don't forget to use my code KIKOKIKO to get a bit of money off of your purchase. So the first thing I got is this open front light cardigan. This one I got it in apricot and it's only one size, and I think this would obviously this would fit everyone in my opinion. And I got this because I just don't have any very light knit jacket, and it's such a perfect piece for a transition from summer to fall because you want to start layering but you don't want to be sweating your ass off. It's a sailor collar loose crop cardigan. They call it sailor because this is not a hoodie. It is so cute in my opinion. They wear it button up, which I find it cute, but I find it even better when you wear it opened. And the arm sleeve are just about right. If it was a bit shorter, I think it wouldn't have made it to my hand, but this comes in 2 other colors. It is so cozy and cute. Okay, so I got this open long front cardigan in the color camel. I personally don't like the color. I don't know why I got in camel. I don't find that it's a color that really compliments me, even though it is a very nice fall color. Look, I don't like how the sleeves are. I don't know what's going on here. It gives a weird shape. And overall, it's a pretty nice cardigan for the price. I just wouldn't get it in other colors. This ends a bit under my knee, and I'm 5'1" for reference. I got this suit set, and I adore suit sets. I have a bunch of sets in my wish list on YesStyle, and I never really got the guts to get them because I gave it a try because it had a few reviews, and honestly the fabric is pretty nice, I have to say. However, the structure is not, it's decent. Look, this top, it's pretty decent. The only thing is that it is too big for me, and the skirt is also too big. However, when I roll it once, it fits me. Then I got this skirt. I wanted it in several other colors. They have it in so many colors. I'm gonna name it for you guys. I got it in almond. It's only one size. It's elastic. It's about $20. They have it in green, almond, black, blue, brick red, and white. It looks perfect with this cardigan. Paired with this cardigan, you have an outfit right here. Very nice, chunky, open cardigan, but I got this in blue because I wear a lot of blue and I thought that it would just make a lot of sense to have monochrome outfits. That's why I got it in blue. I have a similar one from Pretty Little Thing in ivory, but personally I don't love it that much. I prefer this much more. I'm planning on getting the ivory one from YesStyle as well. So I'm done with clothes, but I just want to show you guys the earrings I got. Look at how beautiful this earring is. This one is not from YesStyle, but this, it is so cute. I want to get a real one, but I know my mom wouldn't like it, so that's why I keep getting fake ones and I keep losing them. Snake earring here. Roman Juicy Lasting Tint, and the reason I got it is because I was watching one of my favorite beauty YouTuber, and she was using this, and she was really recommending it. And it's really tricky, but I did not expect YesStyle to have it, and they have it, and I got it, and that's exactly what I have on my lips right now. And honestly, I think this is basically the color of my lips, but a bit more vibrant. The Heroine mascara. So this has been recommended by so many Asian YouTubers, I think including maybe Michelle Phan. And this you can even find on Amazon, not just on YesStyle. It's a very popular one. I have this one, which is the Long and Curl Super Waterproof Mascara. I need waterproof mascara for my lashes to stay up. and I wanted to get that one again, but it was sold out, so I got this one instead. And this one is more for the volume. One thing you need to know if you want to purchase this is that it is extremely hard to remove. I've used so many makeup removers and it practically it's almost impossible to remove, but they do sell a remover with it, which I got, but it's upstairs. But it comes in this blue tube. I'm gonna link it down below, but definitely get it if you're getting this. If you're getting this, you have to get the remover. Like, it's gonna make your life so much easier. You won't lose any lashes and you'll be happy. The last product I got is this Geniso Waterfall Hyaluronic Toner, and I just needed a new toner because I've been using Tayer's toner for a really long time and I'm almost out of it. So I figured out that I should really try a new toner, so that's why I got this Waterfall Hyaluronic Toner, and it's a moisture booster for dry skin. I don't have dry skin. I have very oily skin, but it doesn't mean that it boosts dry skin that oily skin can't use it. That's why I still got it. Alright, so that was it for my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I got a lot of things that are super wearable for school and are great transition pieces from summer to fall. So I hope you guys picked up a few of these items. But yeah, don't forget to use my code KIKOKIKO to get a bit of money off, and feel free to let me know in the comments down below the next thing you want to see. I'm gonna try to be a bit more active on YouTube, even though I've been very active on Instagram. So yeah, feel free to follow me on Instagram to see more fashion content, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.